We would like to give you a stay-in Finlex for your mom and for everyone in the family. Yeah.
Dear Charlene May Escalante, Mega World heard your wonderful wish to share the beauty of the world with your mom, and we're thrilled to inform you that you've been chosen as one of the grantees for Mega World 35th anniversary Make-A-Wish. Knowing her vision is limited due to glaucoma, we're excited to contribute to this special experience and help you create lasting memories together.
We work, we play, we learn. We have a lasting vision. We work, we play, we learn. We have a lasting vision.